Hello guys, this is Huaxing Luggage manufacturer. In this video, I want to take you to go around our factory. Now, as you can see, all this area inside the fence are our factory field. This is our office building. The 6th building next and behind is our workshop buildings. This is our main entrance. Our factory total area is 80,000 square meters with more than 600 workers. Our factory is the biggest luggage factory in Jiangxi province.
This is our office building. You can see it's very big.
This is our office lobby. Hello, this is our exhibition hall. Let's come in. Our bag, pack bag, PP luggage, zipper luggage. This is time tunnel. It is one of the bright points of our exhibition hall. It demonstrates the development of our factory. Very impressive. Aluminum frame luggage area. This is soft luggage area. Okay, now I want to show you our PC alloy material. It has many perfect features. Number one, colors. This material can do every colors in your mind. Number two, lights. The same design if you do with PC alloy material, the weight will lighter than do with ABS material or PC film material. I want to show you the four texture we normally do in our factory. Number one, number two, number three, the diamond texture. Number four, now I want to test the PC alloy material to show you how good this material. This is the PC alloy material we used for most of our hard luggage. Okay, let's start test. Now you can see, after our heavy check, the PC alloy shear still stay perfect. These are our new designs in 2020 years. This PC alloy material can withstand any impact from airports during your flights. If you need more information about our factory, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.